Time to make the pesto. And I also don't have any spinach right now, but I do have a little bit of this arugula. I think I'm going to take 1 or 2 leaves just to add a little bit of bite. The bounty for the pesto. All right, we have washed all of our greens very well. And we're gonna let them dry while I get the rest of my ingredients together. So I've just taken the garlic that I sliced up and the pine nuts, and I'm just heating them up real quick just to get that little bit of bite off of them, and then I will add that to the pesto. I'm going to get some good amount of olive oil in there, usually necessary to get it going. Doing this in a bullet, this is usually a process of adding more oil and more oil. Coming up.